Hello dressmakers and friends, in this video let's talk about the seam ripper. The seam ripper is a very handy tool and very important to the seamstress, the tailors. This is what it usually looks like. One part has a ball point which is sharp and the other part is more like the cover which can be used to cover up this sharp point when it is not in use. Here are a few things that this can do. It can be used to unpick your seam. Whether you have made a mistake, you need to restitch, you need to open up your stitch. Without damaging the fabric, the seam ripper will help you to loosen that stitch neatly without damaging your fabric. Just take a look at how this is being used and go ahead to use it also like this. Now the seam ripper you can always get at any tailoring accessory stores near you. Everywhere that you can get your sewing tools, they are definitely there. Go ahead and pick it up near you. Now the next thing that the seam ripper can do for you, this can be done on very thick fabric. You can see I have a piece of denim here which is already sewn. Now go ahead to use that ball point, put the ball point into your fabric, then push forward. All right, put the ball point, okay, that part that is not sharp, put it into your fabric. Let the other sharp point face outwards. Then begin to unpick your seam just like this. Just push the seam ripper forward and then you will see the seam continue to rip. I advise that you use this method only on heavy stable fabric. Don't use this on light fabrics, please. Next thing the seam ripper can do for you is to open up your buttonhole. How do you do that? Go ahead and put a pin on one end of the buttonhole, just as you see me do, like this. Put in the sharp point. Let it come out on the other side, just as you see in this video. Then push forward until you get to the other end where you have placed your pin. Now this will open up your buttonholes for you. Alright, next thing that the seam ripper can do for you, this you can use on very light fabric. Okay, go ahead to unpick your seam at few inches, maybe 1 inch apart or even half an inch apart on one side, just like you have seen me done, just like this. Unpick it on several points like this. Then go ahead to the back of that stitch, the other end of that stitch which you did not unpick, then pull out the thread. It's just as easy as this. Now you have been able to rip up that seam without damaging this fabric. I hope you have found value in this video. Give this video a thumbs up and also watch the next. I'll see you in the next video.